I know everybody around here, when they need something, call for Vic. He's up here on Saturdays working games, working robotics tournaments, stays here, come in early sometimes to help us set up some things, and he just always is just #1 employee.
Yes, the first time I saw him up here, I recognized him way down the hallway, and I couldn't believe it. He has not changed a bit. He just does his work always with a smile, and he always acts like he enjoys doing it, and I think that's very important.
Everything. If you need anything up here, Vic's always the first person to come. He even gets out there at floor show and mops the floor for me. If a kid needs something, he's always volunteering for it. We used his car for many things, and Line Direct last year. I mean, he just always gives of himself and of his heart and everything. He's very well deserving. The high school wouldn't be the same without him.
Well, Vic runs the school, and he will come in my office and he'll ask me what's going on, what he needs to do, and you can call on Vic anytime. And he is not only a coworker, but he's a friend. And I went to school with him too.
One word that I can describe him is awesome. Mr. Vic not only works at the high school. I could call Mr. Vic at 5:30 in the morning when someone don't show up. Mr. Vic, could you get him to go to this school for me? He does it. Whatever I ask of him, sometimes I know I ask too much. He just smiles at me. I got it, Miss Marianne. I got it. Whatever you need me to do, I got it. And I appreciate everything he do. And I hope he never ever leaves me. And I love it.
Well, Mr. Vic is just truly amazing. It's very fitting that he is the Hero of Hope recipient and gets to wear this cape because he truly is superhuman. He's always ready to go above and beyond and do what is ever necessary for the district and for the kids of Greenville ISD, especially at the high school. He's just tremendous and does a fantastic job.